Well, despite the rising cost of materials and labor shortages, a growing number of people are updating their homes to adapt to remote work or school.
And if that's a trend you're looking to jump on, experts say not all upgrades have the same return on investment. Melissa Rainey tells us more.
With home prices soaring, a growing number of homeowners are choosing to upgrade their homes, but experts say not all renovations have the same payoff.
When the market is getting hotter, when people's homes are becoming worth more money, they see investing more money into the home as a solid choice.
If you want the best return on investment on your next home remodel project, ditch the idea of a spa-like bathroom or magazine-worthy kitchen. A recent report from the National Association of Realtors and the National Association of the Remodeling Industry says interior projects that recoup the most money are refinishing existing hardwood floors or installing new ones. The estimated cost of new hardwoods is around $5,000, but with a $6,500 return on investment. 118% of your cost is recovered.
Change flooring from carpet into hardwood or LVP, you are much less likely to run yourself into big problems that can drain your budget.
Another project with high ROI, an insulation upgrade, with 100% of the cost expected to be recovered. For comparison, the cost of adding a new primary bedroom suite is estimated at $182,000, with only about $100,000 of that cost recovered.
One big mistake that inexperienced homeowners or investors make when they're doing a renovation is they go too grandiose. It is very common when you start moving walls to find electrical issues that need to be brought up to code, plumbing leaks that you didn't know existed.
When it comes to the outside of your house, replacing the roof and the garage doors have the best return on investment, with both recouping all their costs. For today's Consumer Watch, I'm Melissa Rainey.